Hello everyone, today we'll talk about assembling the large slope throwing platform, because it is a relatively large prop, so it requires more components. Next, we will discuss in detail how to assemble it, the method of assembly. First, assemble the framework for the bottom. Then connect the platform pieces on top. Now let's begin. First, we take two pieces of framework boards in this shape. Then connect and secure them together. Find these two slightly shorter pieces, one big and one small, to secure the slope framework. Align the notch with the ruler. Then push it in. Push it in a bit, so that the surface of the connecting board is lower than the flat surface. In this way, the top board will sit flat. If it is high and protruding from the top, then the board won't fit in. Must push it down when pressing. Hold the two sides of the board while supporting the bottom. Then press down hard. You can push it all the way down, because we have these small protrusions to increase its friction and provide a tightening effect. So when pressing, make sure to push it in slightly first. With a strong push, it will fit in nicely. Fitting in properly makes it flat or slightly lower. That's fine. Just don't let it protrude. Also, pay special attention to one point. That is, when you press, don't press on this part. Don't press on this part. If you press on this part, it will break it. If it breaks, later installation will be troublesome as it won't fit. So avoid pressing these areas. Then, after securing this side, go ahead and secure the other side. Align it with a notch. Then press it down. When pressing, support it from below, with your thumb pressing here. Just press down like this to fit it. Don't press this position. Press again up front, after connecting this large board. Connecting the smaller board is the same. Align it with the notch. Then when pressing, press here. Then align it with this notch. The pressing hand goes here. Press down like this. Don't add pressure to these areas. Once this is connected, this signifies the slope position, providing a connecting function. Next, we need to find the longest piece. Find the longest and highest piece. Then connect it with these several boards. All these pieces must be connected together. After finding this piece, the leftmost end goes in. Align it with its notch. Ensure both sides of the slot are aligned. Yes, this set needs to be done one by one as well. Can't rush. After aligning, when pressing down, avoid this position. Pressing it up front. Don't press this position. Press where it's straight. Support it from below and press down. It might fit in. This side is the same. It's also similar. When pressing down, keep it at this position. Always press here. This will help to fit it all the way down. Then we will find these three pieces of board in this shape. Find these three boards in this shape. After you find it, give it 2. Fix it in place. There's a slot for 1233 positions. 1233 positions, huh? This one on the edge, isn't it? This one on the edge, isn't it? It's the board for these 3 cards, 123. First, align the direction. Definitely pay attention. Follow the direction here. The short side should be flush with the back. Don't turn it like this. If you do it this way, it will stick out a lot. It won't fit. It must be reversed like this. The direction must be noted. Then first align it. Align it and push it in. Push it in. Then apply force here and here. Don't press on this position. Reminder again, don't press this position. If you just push down a bit, it will snap into place. Then it's the same on this side. It's the same, align it. This side is the same. Align it and pay attention to direction. Then, once this connection is good, it should look like this. Then, once this board is connected, we need to fix it, because it goes left and right position, right? So we need to connect these boards. The connection uses this side. This one. And then these two. You can compare which one fits. This one is this long. No, this one is the right length. Align it. First take the narrowest piece. You see this one is wider. This one is narrower, and the lengths are different. Take the longest and the narrowest to connect the bottom part. Note the direction. This part extends out from this position, flush with the back here. It's the same. Just press it down until it clicks. Then, this part also extends out a bit. Push it up. Into this position. Connect it to this position. It's the same. After connecting, push it down. This way. The connection board on this side is already done. Now, let's turn it around. Turn it around to the back. There's a long one back here. Use this longest one. The longest one, pay attention to direction. You see the direction of these pieces have an extra part here. This part must also be the same. It should be flush on the side. Then we find the direction. Align it with its card slot. There will be corresponding slots here. Connect all these boards piece by piece. First align, then push it in. Then apply force to push everything down. This way, the structure at the bottom is nearly complete. After finishing the bottom structure, we need to start connecting. This part of the connection is done too. Here's another connecting rod. To increase its stability, that's this connecting rod here. Because it corresponds to the 4 slots. So pay attention to the direction as well. Don't have one side long and the other short. It looks bad, right? So we need to reverse the direction. Align it. Align this side. Both sides must be aligned. Both sides are aligned. One by one, push them in. Push them in. Pressing down means it's in place. This will increase its sturdiness. It increases its sturdiness. Next, we need to connect it. The top surface. This board will be discussed later. First, we need to connect its L-shaped parts. Let's connect it. Yes. The L-shaped side needs to snap in. There are 3 here. The 3 slots correspond to this position. The 3 slots on the side. And this side is a bit higher. You can see that this side is higher. It's not just one board. It simply needs to be placed over. We need to secure the 3 slots here. Align the slots first. After aligning, what should we pay attention to? You need to bend this position. Bending this position might bend or break it. As for the board, it's vertical pressure that makes it solid. However, applied sideways pressure can bend or break it, so we need to hold these edges. Grip these areas. Use your thumbs to press. Press it in. Align first sincerely. You also need to align first. Then press it in. Since the tools are relatively big, find a spacious table to work on. That way, it will be easier to operate. To avoid hitting other things. This side is already pressed into place. After pressing into place, this side looks the same. They're all in position. Because the dimensions are calculated correctly. At this moment, we can use this board. This board is for reinforcing this position. Because we want to avoid any vertical movement. If this part is too narrow like this side, it will be hard to install. So we reserved some space here to allow this board to fit in easily. At this moment, we use this board to support this position, corresponding to the 3 slots of these 3 boards. Align first as well. Then, press it down to secure the bottom. Hold the bottom. Then push your left way. After pushing it in, it will secure this board. Next, we need to install the slope part here. Because installing the slope first makes it easier to install these. Otherwise, it's difficult to install the slope after all is assembled. Let's set this aside for now. When installing the slope, we need to pay attention to one issue. First, there are 2 slope surface panels. The slope surface panels come in thick and thin types. The thick one provides support from underneath. The thin one allows the sliding board to come up. So it won't get stuck. It won't jam the wheels. If I only use this thick board, because of its thickness, the wheels will encounter a step. There's a step with the wheels coming up. So we have to import this. This way it can come up smoothly. It can simply slide up. It will be much smoother. It won't get stuck. Like this, if it doesn't push up, it will get stuck. Then it will just push up easily. Very easy. So how do we install it? First, we place this thick support board on top. Aligning with the parts on top, place it on the protruding parts of these teeth on top. Align and place it. After aligning it, its position. Also, because we are making it quite loose, so it's easy to avoid crushing the paper. Then we place this thinner piece on top. Because the thin one might not be completely flat, so we first slightly insert one side. Then we can also insert it on this side. When doing this, be a bit patient. This way, it will be slightly inserted. First insert it a bit. Then push up together from the top and bottom. Push up from the top. This way, it will be tightened. When it is in place, this square hole aligns with the bottom part. This indicates that it is secured. Then the slope is installed. After the slope is installed, we install the surface, which is the surface of the steps. Using this shorter one, we align it with the 3 tooth slots. Align with the positions of the 3 boards. After aligning it, once aligned, one hand should hold these positions. Don't hold it here. Holding here will bend it, or break it. Either is possible. Definitely don't hold here. The raised part will snap it easily. It will easily break, so pay special attention to these details. After aligning with the 3 tooth slots, press this position, then push it in. Just push it in to seat it. Push it into place. And that's it. Then this side is installed. Now we flip to install the other side. On this side, we have the remaining 2 boards. We mainly focus on the bottom board. Align the flat board with the positions of the 4 or 5 boards on the side. Insert it in. Check if the bottom is installed properly. Otherwise, if it is raised, it won't fit in. It will be installed as slant. We install it like this, and it will be flat. Then align with the 5 position slots. Once aligned, let's do it one by one. We can start from the edge. First, press down here. Press to push this position. Then slightly adjust the position. If it doesn't go in, it definitely needs to be pushed more. These positions are the same. For this side, we can take it like this. Don't grab the edge. You can hold it. But it's best to hold it like this. This way you can push it in. Push it all the way down. After pushing all the way, the innermost slots of the 2 boards are seated. That's how it is seated. After pushing it all the way, this face is installed. Next, we install the other face, which is this top part. This top part. We find a position. There is a recess here, so we take the recess to the side. Then also, the same way. First, align these holes with the protruding slots underneath. The protruding part snap in place. Then align it. Right. Align it and lower it down when you do that. Be careful not to crush the cardstock. Then after aligning and lowering it down, we push it to the side. And it can be installed properly. First, let's look at an issue here. It's important to pay attention to the installation here. It could affect this ruler because this ruler needs to ensure it is level with this side. This face must stay level with this face. This way it won't be stuck when pushing it in. After ensuring these surfaces are level, we'll start placing it on. After placing it on, we initially need to fit it in a bit. Just fit it in a little. This shows it's all aligned. At this point, we can push while sticking it to the surface. This hand supports this edge. This edge, don't drag it on these surfaces. Drag this edge instead. Push this edge against the surface with force. And don't let it get stuck. Especially on this edge. Avoid letting it get stuck on this edge. If it's stuck like this, it won't push through. So you need to lift it up to avoid getting stuck. Then push harder to position it. When it's properly positioned, this is flush. This surface is flat. This surface is flat. The bottom and top are flat and properly aligned. This way, the large sloping platform is already installed. After installation, this large sloping platform, if installed properly, the bottom of it is in contact with the tabletop. If it's in contact, it will function smoothly, able to push it up. Well, it's installed now.